Hey everyone, how are you all? This is Reshma from UAE and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we are going to recreate a effect called broken mirror effect. Okay, and the elements which I have used in this post, I've already mentioned in my description box, so you can check and you can use it for your version. And I've also used one website to download free png photos because it wasn't available in the Canva. The thing which I was looking, it wasn't there. So I will mention the link also. I will give the link in the description box too. The website name is like png3.com, and here you have few free options and few premium options, so whichever you want you can choose it. So yes, you can go and check it out at the link I will give in my description box. So let's start to recreate this effect. So first thing first, I will take a new page and I will rename it. The size I have taken, it's an Instagram size, 1080 by 1080 pixel. Okay, so let's start with the first element. I will set as a background. Then next element is this one. Just round it. Go to the edit image, remove background. Yes. Size. This one. Okay, now let's take a model. I type the element name, I mean the keyword in the element. It's like sad man. So I've got this picture. Take it. Let's take it to the another one. Go to the edit image, remove background. Up. Resize it. Perfect. Okay, now again I will take a same element, this one. I will go to the edit image, remove background. I will copy and paste and make it duplicate. Okay, just duplicate. I will take it up over here, just increase the size. That's it. Then again copy paste up. I'll just round it and increase the size. The same way, I'll take it up, increase the size. That's it. Now again I will take same element over here and I will round it, and this bigger portion I will take it up and I will just make it half, and the same I will not remove background. Same I will take up over here. Yes. Okay, the another element which I have used is a crack effect. Yeah, this one. Take it and just place it over here to give a nice background. That's it. Now the another one. Let's take this one. Effect. So this one I've downloaded from here. This one you can download and use it. A crack glass, broken glass. Okay, now let's go to picture, edit image, and for the brightness I will just make a little bit less. Saturation around 46. That's it. So these are the elements which I have downloaded from this website and uploaded on Canva. Okay, so I will use this one. Let's take this one. I'll take another page. Taking this one. Remove background. Yes, apply. Then go to the blur and make the intensity around 38. Spread will be around 55 and blur size is less, 44 something. Okay, spread it. Copy paste. Just adjust. Copy paste.